Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that our garlic pepper beef is sizzling, let's finish it off and get it ready to serve. You're going to love how easy and delicious this is. Serving suggestions. Garlic pepper beef shines in simple pairings. Try it with steamed jasmine rice to soak up the juices. Crisp lettuce wraps for a low-carb crunch. Fried eggs on top for a hearty breakfast twist. Garnish with sliced scallions or cilantro. For extra heat, a drizzle of chili oil adds a smoky kick. Leftovers. Toss them into a noodle stir-fry the next day. The flavors intensify overnight. Health benefits of garlic pepper beef. Garlic pepper beef isn't just tasty, it packs a nutritional punch too. Between the protein-rich beef and the powerhouse combo of garlic and black pepper, this dish supports muscle health, immunity and digestion. Let's break down why it's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Protein and nutrient content. Beef delivers high-quality protein, which keeps your muscles strong and helps repair tissues. A single serving of garlic pepper beef provides roughly 25 to 30 grams of protein. That's half the daily needs for most adults. But it's not just about protein. Beef also offers iron, critical for oxygen transport in your blood. Zinc supports immune function and wound healing. B vitamins, especially B12, which fuels energy and brain health. For leaner options, use flank steak or sirloin. They keep the protein high without extra saturated fat. Health advantages of garlic and pepper. The garlic and pepper in this dish aren't just flavor boosters, they're loaded with benefits. Garlic acts like a natural immune ally. It contains allicin, a compound that fights bacteria and viruses. Regular garlic consumption may help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, support heart health by improving circulation. Black pepper does more than add heat. Piperin, its active compound, helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. It also aids digestion by stimulating stomach acid, reduces bloating and gas, has anti-inflammatory properties. Together, garlic and pepper turn a simple beef dish into a meal that works as hard as you do. Whether you're recovering from a workout or fighting off a cold, these ingredients have your back. For an extra health kick, pair your garlic pepper beef with veggies like bell peppers or spinach. They add fiber and antioxidants without overshadowing the main flavors. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even simple dishes like garlic pepper beef can go wrong if you're not paying attention. A few small missteps: overcooking the beef, using weak seasonings, can turn a flavorful meal into something dull or chewy. Here's how to sidestep the most common errors and keep your dish tasting sharp. Overcooking the beef. Beef goes from tender to tough in seconds, especially with thin cuts. The key is speed. Once the beef hits the pan, don't walk away. Signs you've gone too far. The beef turns gray instead of staying pink at the center. It feels rubbery when pressed with a spatula. Juices stop pooling on the surface. How to fix it? Cook in batches if your pan isn't big enough. Crowding lowers the heat and steams the meat. Pull the beef off the heat a minute early. It keeps cooking as it rests. Slice against the grain. Even slightly overcooked beef stays tender this way. And if you're grilling, high heat, fast sear. 2 minutes per side max for thin cuts. Using low-quality ingredients. Skimping on garlic or pepper is like making tea with the used bag. You'll get hints of flavor, but no punch. Problem spots. Pre-minced garlic lacks the oils that give fresh cloves their kick. Pre-ground pepper tastes flat and dusty. Cheap cuts with too much gristle just won't tenderize. Better alternatives. Buy whole garlic heads and crush cloves right before cooking. Grind peppercorns fresh. A cheap manual grinder works fine. Splurge on well-marbled beef if you can. Flank or sirloin are budget-friendly but still rich. Stale spices. Toss them. Black pepper older than 6 months loses its edge. Freshen up your pantry before you start cooking. A quick taste test helps. Rub a bit of raw garlic and fresh pepper between your fingers before adding them. If the smell doesn't make you pause, it's not strong enough. Garlic pepper beef proves that bold flavors don't need complicated recipes. With just a few quality ingredients, fresh garlic, cracked pepper, and the right cut of beef, you get a dish that's fast, versatile, and packed with taste. Whether stir-fried for a quick dinner or grilled for smoky depth, it's a meal that adapts to your cravings. The health perks are a bonus. Lean beef keeps you full, while garlic and pepper bring digestion and immunity perks. No wonder this combo pops up in kitchens worldwide with endless twists. Now it's your turn. Try it over rice, in tacos, or with extra veggies. Switch up the marinade with a splash of lime or a pinch of chili flakes. Got a favorite twist? Share it in the comments. Hungry for more? Check out our spicy ginger beef guide next. Fire up the pan. Your next flavorful bite is minutes away. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.